The sweet, fruity aroma of strawberry jam is enough to brighten anyone's day. But have you ever stopped to think about how it's made? In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the amazing process that turns freshly harvested strawberries into the flavorful jam you know and love. From farm to jar, we'll show you the artistry and precision behind this classic favorite. Let's dive in. The story of strawberries begins in the greenhouses of strawberry farms. This model is increasingly popular because it provides a controlled environment that helps optimize growing conditions, such as temperature, humidity, and light, ensuring strawberries grow year-round, regardless of external weather conditions. This not only boosts yield, but also improves fruit quality by protecting the plants from pests and diseases. Strawberry harvesting was once a labor-intensive task, but today, advancements in technology are revolutionizing the process. When the berries ripen to a vibrant red, a robotic marvel springs into action. These ingenious machines delicately pluck each ripe strawberry from the plant, ensuring no bruising or damage. Once harvested, the strawberries embark on their final journey. They undergo a gentle quality check, ensuring only the finest berries make it through. This meticulous process guarantees that you receive the freshest, most delicious strawberries possible. After the weigh check, the strawberries are transported to the factory, where they are ready for the next steps in the process. The journey of turning strawberries into sweet, delicious jams starts with the soaking and washing stage. Strawberries are soaked in a tank of clean water to remove dirt on the surface. This process is supported by high-pressure water jets. Freshly picked strawberries are sent down a robotic sorting line, where advanced systems carefully inspect each berry. Any damaged or imperfect ones are swiftly removed, leaving only the ripest and juiciest strawberries to move forward in the process. From there, the selected strawberries enter a specialized de-stemming system. This cutting-edge technology ensures that each berry is cleaned and prepared with precision, removing the stems without damaging the fruit. Next, the strawberries undergo a second thorough washing process to ensure they're completely clean and ready for preservation. They're giving them the wash that often involving specialized sprays or misting the solutions like chlorine dioxide, which takes care of the tougher particles like pesticide residues and bacteria. Afterward, they are quickly frozen at a precise temperature of -18 degrees Celsius. This rapid freezing locks in their natural freshness, flavor, and texture, ensuring that every berry retains its quality. This step is crucial for creating a smoother, more consistent jam, allowing the strawberries to deliver that perfect balance of sweetness and texture in every jar. Now, the strawberries are ready for the exciting transformation into sweet, irresistible strawberry jam. The process begins with cooking the berries to bring out their natural sweetness. As they simmer, sugar and other carefully selected ingredients are added to enhance the flavor, creating a perfect balance of sweetness and fruitness. The mixture is cooked at a precise temperature, typically around 105 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. This careful timing and heat ensure the jam reaches the ideal consistency, thick, smooth, and bursting with strawberry goodness. Once the jam is cooked to perfection, it undergoes a final flavor and consistency check. When everything meets the highest standards, the warm, flavorful jam is poured into sterilized jars, sealing in all that deliciousness and getting it ready for shelves and breakfast tables everywhere. Finally, the jars of strawberry jam are carefully packaged and labeled with precision. Each jar is checked to ensure it's sealed properly, preserving the freshness, flavor, and quality of the jam inside. Once labeled, the jars are neatly organized and prepared for shipment. This meticulous process guarantees that they arrive at stores and homes in perfect condition. Strawberry jam is commonly used as a spread on toast, in pastries, or as a topping for pancakes, waffles, and ice cream. It can also be mixed into yogurt, smoothies, or salad dressings for a sweet touch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.